Red alert has been issued for heavy rainfall in some areas and extremely heavy rainfall in one or two places of South District in the next 24 hours. Orange red alert has been issued for heavy to extremely heavy rainfall in several places of Gomoti, Sipaijala and West districts. Red alert has been issued for heavy rainfall in some areas and extremely heavy rainfall in one or two places of South District in the next 24 hours. Orange alert has been issued for heavy to extremely heavy rainfall in several areas of Gomoti, Sipaijala and West District on Wednesday due to persistent heavy to extremely heavy rainfall throughout the day. People did not dare to step out of their homes. There are very few people on the city roads. Most of the shops remain closed. On one hand, the rain and on the other hand, the impact of the strike kept people indoors. Vehicular movement on city roads was also extremely limited. Meanwhile, according to the meteorological department, in the last 24 hours, South Tripura experienced extremely heavy rainfall. Gomoti district had very heavy rainfall. Dholai and Sipaijala districts received heavy rainfall, and the remaining districts received moderate rainfall. Tripura received an average rainfall of 96.9 mm in the last 24 hours. Due to the active monsoon in the state, Bilonia in South Tripura recorded 295 mm of rainfall. Sabrum in South Tripura received 199.4 mm. Udaipur in Gomoti district got 120 mm and Amarpur received 173.3 mm of rainfall, according to the meteorological department. On Wednesday morning, the minimum temperature in North Dholai and South District are lower than normal when it remained near normal in other districts. The minimum temperature recorded in Tripura on Wednesday morning was 21.6 Celsius. For the next 24 hours, red alert has been issued for heavy rainfall in some areas and extremely heavy rainfall in 1 to 2 places of South District. Orange alert has been issued for heavy to extremely heavy rainfall in Gomoti, Sipaijala, West District. Yellow alert has been issued for heavy rainfall in the remaining district. Warning for thunder and lightning have also been issued for the districts of Tripura, along with heavy to very heavy rainfall. Meanwhile, scattered rain on Tuesday and continuous rain throughout Wednesday have caused rising water levels in the rivers of the state. Water has accumulated in low-lying areas. At any time, this water may enter people's houses. The city's flood pump machines have been kept operational. Bureau Report, Fact Find.